Next project, again, my cousin Vinnie's Mazda CX-7. The issue this time is it has a slow leak. He cannot fix. Cannot figure it out. Some other guy looked at it. He thought he had it licked, but it wasn't. It still drips just a tiny bit after a few days. So I am going to investigate. So let's get this thing up in the air and see what it looks like underneath. So I'm going to take a crack at this oil leak. So you don't see it so much here because I cleaned it up a bit. So what I'm going to do, there's shiny stuff there you can see, and this was shiny here. So there was a little bit of oil, not a lot, but a little bit. So I'm going to get some brake cleaner, clean this up, wipe it down, and then spray this with basically spray, talcum powder, athlete's foot, whatever spray you got at hand. And it'll make a nice powder coating, and then you drive it around, and then hopefully you, if it leaks enough, you should see, give you some indication on the source of the leak. So that's the plan. I'm wiping it down. Right up there. Oh yeah. We can see here, it's, at least now, it's clean and dry. And if you come to the front, this is pretty clean to begin. I mean, this is the front. I think this is pretty clean. As I recall, it was clean before. There we spray this all down. Smells nice too. Diggery-doo. Let's just spray that too. Come on. Oh no. There we go. All right, that's basically it. And this is all I used. Gold Bond, I don't know, no mess, body odor, fresh scent. You can use really any kind of spray. It's all basically talcum powder. So, all right, let's get one quick look under here. It's funny, I see a little bit of something there. Let's see what that's all about, see if that grows. But, okay, now that is it for now. This is interesting. So it's been about, I'm gonna say 50 some miles driven. I don't see any oil on the front side. What I do though see is here around the oil pan, or the oil pan seal. Interesting. Also, I noticed by the plug, the oil plug, looks like a little bit. Could just need a new crush washer. I don't know. Interesting. This might just be an oil pan issue. Well, I've driven it for another 50 or so miles. So let's get a look underneath and see what the oil pattern looks like now. So this is what I'm seeing from this vantage point is, so some leakage there around the oil plug, and then looks like over here and maybe up there. I don't know if you can see that, but that appears to be seeping out. So, like, I don't see. So there was oil before. There was oil here, but I think that was just spillage and drippage and stuff from that leak. And moving to the front, again, I don't really see anything. You know, you can see some of the powder is kind of blown away and whatnot, but that's it. But it's all kind of clear around it. So this is quite interesting. So methinks at the moment the problem is the oil pan seal there and there, and you know, maybe a new crush washer there. So what I'm going to do right now while this is up is just get a ratchet and try to tighten these bolts and just see, maybe they're a little bit loose or something. If the bolts aren't loose, then I'm just going to assume that when they did the silicone gasket seal, it just, I don't know, wasn't enough or something. Not quite sure. I'll know more when I get it off, but let's tighten those bolts up first. Tweak, see what happens. Nope, that's in there pretty good. It's pretty good too. All right, that concludes. This is it for part 1.
Suit and Tie Limited is the place where Mr. Works. No raise or benefits. The boss's son gets all the perks.